We are officially diving back into 2016 as Subway Surfers is coming back with a new sequel. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your tech and gaming hub. The OG mobile game that defined endless runners is back with a brand new sequel, Subway Surfers City, promising a slick new look, faster gameplay, and a new world to explore. Developer Swybo has confirmed that Subway Surfers City will launch on February 26th. On both iOS and Android, and fans should pre-register now to get in-game rewards, waiting for early signups. This isn't just a glow-up. Swybo says it completely different than the iconic 2012 train track chase. Now, it's got modernized art and smoother mechanics. The animated city features 4 unique districts, from the gritty vibes of the docks to the sun-soaked streets of Sunrise Blvd, the sleek Southline, and the futuristic Delorean Park. And don't worry about the gameplay. Players can expect speed pads that blast them forward, a stomp move that reveals hidden advantages, and a bouncy shield that upgrades jumping abilities so you can enjoy faster runs, bigger risks, and more ways to dominate the tracks. For the first time, players can choose between 3 distinct ways to play. Classic Endless Mode returns for high-score chasers, while the new City Tour mode offers structured levels packed with missions, hidden stars, and district-based challenges. It will also showcase events will keep things fresh with limited-time trials designed to test even veteran runners. After more than a decade of exploded onto phones worldwide, Subway Surfers is proving it's not slowing down anytime soon. And with Subway Surfers City, the game is entering a bold new era. Are you ready to surf? Let us know in the comments. Like and share the video. Subscribe to GadInsider and press the bell icon so you never miss any updates.
Yo GadInsider fam! Did you know Subway Surfers, the endless runner that's got us all dodging trains, might be hitting the big screen? Stick around to find out how this mobile game legend can become your next movie obsession. That's right, the game you've swiped through for hours is exploring a film and TV adaptation. Could it be the next Super Mario Bros. Movie? Let's dive into the details. Subway Surfers has been a mobile gaming pioneer since 2012 with over 4 billion downloads. Created by Swybo Games, it's got that addictive vibe, colorful worlds, slick moves, and those heart-pounding chases. But now, according to GadInsider, they're eyeing a leap to film and TV. So why does this matter? Look at the Super Mario Bros. Movie, $1.3 billion at the box office, or Minecraft, which is also getting its own film. Mobile games are becoming Hollywood's gold mines, and Subway Surfers' vibrant characters like Jake, Tricky, and Fresh are perfect for a blockbuster. Imagine high-speed chases through animated cityscapes, maybe even a plot about outrunning a grumpy inspector in a futuristic world. What do you want to see? A movie with a gritty, action-packed storyline? Or maybe a fun animated series for all ages? The possibilities are endless, just like the game itself. Alright GadInsider crew, let's get this convo going. Drop a comment below. Would you watch a Subway Surfers movie or TV show? And what's your dream plot? Smash that like button if you're hyped. And subscribe to GadInsider for more gaming and tech scoops. You're craving the thrill of battles, unforgettable combos, and iconic characters. 2025 is delivering some of the best fighting games yet. Hey GadInsiders, whether you're a veteran fighter or a newcomer, these top 5 fighters will keep your thumbs busy and your adrenaline off the charts, with the first one being Street Fighter 6. Yes, Capcom's legendary series continuing with Street Fighter 6 flexes game-changing new mechanics, with guest stars like Terry Bogard and Mai Shiranui joining the fight for the first time ever. This game is a knockout for both casual and competitive players. It's available on PS4 and 5, Xbox, and PC. Second is Tekken 8, which storms into 2025 with a brand new heat system, making every match hotter than ever. Follow the epic family feud between Kazuya and Jin, customize your fighters like never before, and be ready to encounter cool guest stars like Clive from Final Fantasy XVI. It's available on Xbox, PC, and PS5 only. Then, the Mortal Kombat reboot brings brutal combat and jaw-dropping fatalities to new generation. Featuring guest fighters from popular culture and a gripping story mode, Mortal Kombat 1 delivers action that's as fast and furious as ever. Perfect for players who love their battles fierce and flashy. It's available on Xbox, PC, PS4, and 5. After a 26-year wait, Fatal Fury, City of Wolves returns with a fresh comic book style and the innovative REV system, challenging players to balance power and risk. Plus, quirky guest characters like Swedish DJ Salvatore Ganacci add a surprising twist to this exciting revival. It's available on PS5, Xbox Series, and PC. And how can we leave King of Fighters 15 out of the list? It offers the strategic thrill of 3 versus 3 team battles, where choosing your fighters and their order can turn the tide of any match. It's a must-play for those who want deep tactical combat and a rich cast of fighters. With these titles, 2025 is shaping up to be a golden year for fighting game fans. So pick your fighter, master your moves, and get ready to dominate the arena like never before. Which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update. Gamescom 2025 has officially begun, and this year's event is full of exciting news. From blockbuster trailers to hardware unveilings, the gaming world is buzzing, and we're only just getting started. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech and gaming news. Let's take a quick dive into 5 of the biggest reveals so far that have lit up the event. Number 1 is Xbox handhelds. After years of anticipation, Microsoft has officially announced release dates for its first Xbox handhelds. The Rogue Xbox Ally and Rogue Xbox Ally X are coming on October 16th. The higher-end Ally X rocks a Ryzen A1Z2 Extreme chip, 24GB RAM, and 1TB storage, while the base model still impresses with a Ryzen Z2A and 16GB RAM. We're so excited for this one. Next is LEGO Batman Returns. TT Games is bringing back LEGO Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight. The reveal trailer wowed fans by blending comic book lore with references to the Nolan films, Arkham games, and even the Batman. This new open-world Gotham looks darker, more detailed, and more ambitious than ever. Oh, and Matt Berry as Bane? Instant gold. On number 3, we have Hollow Knight Silksong. It's not a drill. Team Cherry finally gave us a solid launch date for Hollow Knight Silksong, which is September 4th, 2025. After years of teases and delays, it's finally here. A surprise stream after opening night live showcased new mechanics, a massive world, and a crafting system, with post-launch content already in the works. It's already hitting all major platforms, including the Nintendo Switch 2. On 4, Sony's InZone lineup. Sony isn't just focused on PlayStations, it's expanding its InZone gaming gear lineup as well. The new H9 II headset now comes with a detachable mic and lighter build. There's also a sleek KBD H75 mechanical keyboard, a new gaming mouse, and new mouse pads. FPS fans should check out the new InZone A9 earbuds too. Sony's making sure we change our whole gaming setup. Now let's check out Call of Duty Black Ops 7, which made a dramatic entrance with a trailer that confirms a setting in 2035, picking up after the events of Black Ops 2. This 4-player game has wild global missions and a new twist. The Endgame, an open-world finale that changes based on how you played. With big reveals from all corners of the gaming world and more updates still to come, Gamescom's surely been a great event for gamers. What do you think about this? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.